In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a simple to-do list in Notion. To get started, open the Notion page where you want your to-do list to live. This could be a daily planner page, a personal dashboard, a work page, or anywhere else that makes sense for your routine. The key is to choose a location you'll actually check regularly because a to-do list only helps if it stays visible and easy to update. Once you're on the page, type /to do. This will insert a checkbox task block. Notion makes this really quick, and it's one of the easiest ways to build a clean, practical checklist without needing to set up anything complicated. After the checkbox appears, write your first task beside it. Keep your task clear and specific so you know exactly what needs to be done when you come back later. When your first task is written, press enter to add more tasks. Each time you press enter, Notion creates another checkbox line so you can continue building your list in seconds. As you add tasks, try to keep the wording consistent and simple. Short, action-based tasks are usually easier to scan and complete than long descriptions. As you work through your list, check off each task when it's completed. This not only keeps your page organized, but also gives you a clear visual sense of progress. One of the nice things about using checkboxes in Notion is that completed items stay visible unless you decide to remove them, so you can quickly see what's done and what still needs attention. If you want something more advanced than a basic checklist, create a task database for a bigger task system. This is especially useful if you're managing lots of responsibilities, ongoing projects, or tasks with deadlines. In that database, add properties like due date, priority, and status. These extra fields help you sort, filter, and organize your work in a much more flexible way. For example, you can group tasks by status, view upcoming deadlines, or identify high priority items at a glance. Finally, review your to-do list daily. This step is what keeps the system useful over time. A quick daily review helps you update completed tasks, adjust priorities, and stay focused on what matters most. Even a simple list becomes much more effective when you make it part of your regular routine. That's how to create a simple and scalable to-do list in Notion. Whether you want a quick checklist or a more structured task management system,